American University of Central Asia presents the Liberal Arts and Sciences Department is the first and only interdisciplinary undergraduate program of its type in Central Asia. Our program develops the required skills and offers the necessary knowledge to make students successful citizens of the 21st century in following new and innovative field of studies. Digital cultures, environmental and urban studies, European studies, human rights, international and comparative politics, literature and history, mass communications, mathematical modeling in natural and social sciences, peace and conflict studies, sociology, social entrepreneurship and design thinking. There are good opportunities to get different types of tuition fee discounts and spend an exchange semester at the best universities in the world. Our graduates receive 2 diplomas, American and Kyrgyz. Go ahead, be among the leaders of your country. For more information, please visit www.auca.kg or contact las.auca.kg.